Hello. In this video, I'm going to try to resolve a, a doubt that or a request that a user has made about quickly uploading a lot of images to a record. Okay. The idea is that we're going to have a record. I'm going to do this test here on services. We have like 3 or 4 images, and we want to upload them kind of quickly. The proposal that they make is to uh, get select all 4 images. For example, if I open up my images, I could like select all four and just kind of drop them into the onto the record and have them magically fall into each of the fields. That's kind of difficult because we don't really know how to map each of the images to each of the fields. Okay, let's jump over here to Layout Editor and add these 4 fields. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and even add a new image block, images. Okay, and in this new block, I'm going to add 4 images, image fields, image one, and two, three, and four. Okay, so now I have 4 image fields on the service. Let's jump back over to the service module and just select any record, and I should have those 4 images here. Okay, they're empty. Okay, so the problem is that if I do kind of just come over here to my image directory and try to, you know, uh, let all 4 just drop them on the record, there's no real way for me to know which one I want to put in each field. You know, I mean, I would get 4 images, but I could just kind of randomly set them into each field, and that's not exactly what we want. We want to put one in each of the fields specifically. So we could kind of design some solution, and maybe with the naming of the records and the fields of the images and the fields, kind of map them internally with some kind of thing. But before we go into to something very complicated, I would like to propose a different approach, which would be to edit the record like this. Okay, now I have my 4 fields there. I'm going to get the image directory that I have here. Let me resize this and do it like this so I have both things on screen. And let's see if we can. Okay, so now what I would propose is that I have my images here, and simply I get this one and I drop it here. No, I should do here the keep this one always on top so it doesn't disappear on me like that. And now I can just kind of drop them in place and put this one here and this one here and this one here. And I mean, it's really just drag and drop. You drop them in, you edit the record completely. Okay, I'm done with this. And I just kind of drop them into place. I mean, it's very, very easy. And we avoid, as you can see, everything went right into where it should be. So, I mean, this solution or this way of working is really easy. We don't have to develop anything, and we don't really have to change, create some complex mapping of the field names and the things that obligate the user to set the fields in a certain way. I mean, you just edit the record and drop them into place. I would try to tell the client first, the user, the end user, to do it this way. And if they still have a problem with that and they really want to upload all 4 or 5 at the same time, then we'll have to embed some solution to map the fields in a logical way. Okay. Thanks for watching.